Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Gone fishing. Got 4 lines out. Tight lines, tight lines. Got one in the ice chest already. Kind of small, but he's a cooker. Hopefully I give y'all a little action. It's really nice out here. It's starting to warm up. It's a little cool. But let me set it up and we get it going. What's up, guys? What's up? Tight lines, baby, tight lines. Nice one, nice one. Nice pan size right here. That's what we're after. I only need about a dozen. We swallowed that hook. There we go. Nice one. It's the second one already. My remote's not working. I don't know what the problem is. I'm trying to fix it, but we just get them in the ice chest. I'm gonna have to manually. Man, it's nice out here. I think it's time for a cold one. I'll get back with y'all. Let me get my remote working. All right, guys, I didn't get completely skunked. I caught like 4 of these fish. They're pan size. I mean, I like these, fry them whole. I just don't have enough to do a complete fish fry. I'm gonna show you how to butterfly. I'm gonna butterfly a panfish. You can do that with a croaker, perch, any small fish like this. It's the best way we do it. My family's been eating them like that for a while. And basically what you do, you take the scales off. You take the scales off real good. I'm gonna do it for you right now. I hope it comes out good. I've got a new stand right now I'm using it. So basically check it out. Make sure it works out good. All right, take all the scales off on both sides. And these are whitings. I was hoping for croaker, but trout or even a redfish or a black drum, bigger drum. But when I get small fish like this, what I like to do, usually what I do is just start in these back fins right here and go straight down. Cut the head off, and then I get the internals and squeeze them out, the organs. And then what I do, I use this as a protection for my thumb. I stick my thumb in there, and then I finish off the belly like this, and I take this back fin off right here. Pull it off. And what I'm going to do is remove the back spine. So what I do, like if I'm going to fillet the fish, I take the little bitty fillet it has, but I don't take it off. I just cut it down and start on the other side and cut it all the way down. And what I do with my finger, I pinch it. You see how I'm taking it off? There, you see that? You see that? Coming right out like a little thorny snake. There it is, removing the back spine right there. Now, what you have is a fish. I'm gonna clean it a little bit more, take it under the faucet, clean it real good. Well, now what I do, I butterfly them and split the belly open. It's already cleaned out. Gotta rinse everything off, soak it in water. I usually soak it in about ice water for about a day. What I do, go down the spine, like if I'm gonna take the fillet off, and open it up like that, and do the other side. Just find the spine. There we go. There it is. You see that? That's a butterfly fish right there. I batter it and fry it real good, and that's it. You get enough of these and you butterfly them like that. Once I start the fish fry, I'll come in again. I'm gonna catch about maybe a dozen more of these like this. I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, put ice water in there, clean them up real good first, put them in ice water, hold them there, and I'm gonna get more, accumulate more, put more in there until I get about a dozen. Then I'm gonna have a fish fry. Hopefully the next time around, I'll catch a dozen at one time. It's happened plenty of times. This time I just got skunked with the wind. Here's a bigger one. I'm gonna go ahead and fillet this one like I did. There you go. Nice little fillet there. Look at that. Look at that. That's a butterfly fish right there, baby. Look at that. When you fry that up, you just leave the bone. You just take this right out. And it has a little bit of bones right here, but you got to be able to know how to eat a fish with bones, that's for sure. That's what you call butterfly fish. Haven't battered it. I'm going to get it together. I'm going to chop this video, save it, and when I do the fish fry, I'm going to fry those up, and then you're going to see how they come out. We might do a few more segments of, okay?